Saturday. We're gonna go to the markets. So pretty. Did we really go to the farmer's market if we didn't stop at St. Jean? It's in my bag. We're renting bikes to go bike through Vondel Park right now. I'm really nervous because last time I drove into a fence, but I think this one's the right height so I can actually stop this time. Bike with me through Vondel. Oh, there's like the rose garden over here to the left. Guys, I'm literally dripping in sweat right now. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Is this for drinking? Or is it for birds?
It'd have a pool in it.
You sure? Would it?
Yeah, because they'd swim in it.
About that. I don't know how to feel about it.
Google it.
Yeah, can someone Google that? It tastes good.
It does?
Yeah.
It tastes fine.
Yeah.
Guys, I feel so free biking through Vondel. Everyone biking with dogs in their basket is so cute. Those are beautiful. Our version of holding. Oh my gosh. My go-to right now. In the shade Wander. Literally perfect because all we're doing is wandering today. I think I got a little color today. We are going out to dinner tonight and I'm wearing this cute little number. Fun fact, it was actually like my 20th birthday dress, but cute. Don't mind the mess in the back. I think I got a little sun today from biking around Amsterdam, which was so fun. When we do my lip combo, I need to grab a gloss. Gonna use this Kylie gloss. And then we're going. Look at that. And I'm actually ready on time. Fantastic. Let's go to dinner. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It's been a few days since I vlogged. I've literally been working. The weather has been so nice the last 2 days. Yesterday we went to the beach for like an hour and then I went to work, and today I'm off and the weather is even better today than it was yesterday. So I'm going back to the beach because I finally got like a little bit of a tan yesterday, and that's the first time this whole summer, other than when I was in Italy, that I have had somewhat of a tan, and the UV is stronger today, so I think we'll really have a chance to get a good tan in. And also just like being by the water and swimming is gonna feel so nice. I'm gonna grab a book, and then I just made like a lunch and something to just snack on while I'm there. I'm gonna refill my water and then we're going. Come with me to the beach. Happy Friday! I just finished deep cleaning the apartment and have been doing laundry all day. Also editing this vlog and doing other work for social media. It's almost 5 p.m. right now, but there's still a lot more editing and just social media work for behind the scenes that I need to do this evening as well. I wanted to take a moment and do a little bit of self-care. I feel like I haven't had just like a good self-care moment in a minute, especially with you guys. I can't remember the last time I sit down and talked about skincare or makeup with you guys, and that was like the main thing of my channel when I started. So I really wanted to sit back down with you guys and do a little bit of self-care. I really need to dermaplane my face, so I have my dermaplaning razor. I also wanted to gua sha a little bit, so I have some gua sha stuff with me, and then I have eye patches and a Real vitamin C face mask. Yesterday I got up early before my shift and did a nail refresh, and I'm obsessed with how it turned out. I don't really do ever like the two tones, like different but similar, like on the left hand and right side. I love how they turned out. I'm obsessed. I also really trimmed them down. My nails were so long, but they were also so weak from before I got my nail drill, just like ripping off polish, which do not do what I did. It is not good for you. But now that I have a nail drill, they're starting to strengthen up again. So I just wanted to cut them down so that they could be stronger and healthier and they wouldn't like bend on me, because that's the worst feeling. If you know, you know. That's the worst. So I'm really happy with how they turned out. And I feel like every time I do my nails, I am really getting better. Sometimes I look and I'm like, if I left the salon with that, I'd be happy, because I definitely remember how they looked the first time I did my nails. It was horrific. Now I'm like, okay, coming around. Anyway, had to update you guys with the nail refresh. Let's get into some skincare and let's just chit chat and catch up. So this is the Slick Skin Statue Beauty Gua Sha Serum, so I'm gonna use that. And then I have this Sterling Silver Pacifica Beauty face roller, and then I also have the Statue Beauty Gua Sha as well, so we're gonna use both of those. I also got some PR in the mail from Coco and Eve. I got the dark self tan. You guys know this is my favorite self tan ever. I'm so ride or die for Coco and Eve self tan. They also sent a refresh of the antioxidant face tanning micro mist. This is much needed. They sent a tanning mitt. I left my tanning mitt in America when I moved, which is a year ago. I had been doing full body self tan just with like the little brush that like it looks like this. I was self tanning my full body with this. Like, talk about dedication, okay? Having a mitt now is huge. So thank you, Coco and Eve, for keeping me stocked up so I can be tanned and bronzed. My mom has been sending me pictures of the PR I've been getting in the States, and you guys, there is some insane goodies in there. I actually cannot wait until I'm back and I can go pick them up and try them all, because they're insane. Like, I can't believe it. I really like using this face roller. Rolls up the cheekbones so nicely. I'm like a year and 5 days since I moved to the Netherlands. The experience of moving to another country is actually insane, and I'm so grateful that I was able to do that. But I have really learned so much about myself, and like I feel like changed so much. Like I am definitely not the same person that I was a year ago, because of how moving to another country literally just like forces you out of your comfort zone. And it's been such an amazing experience. Full rebrand. I definitely feel like I need a lymphatic drainage for my face. Like, I'm gonna try the wash on now. This feels so good. I've also had so much fun decorating our apartment. That was another huge thing. We got like the bigger pieces of furniture, but we still need to like set the vibe. Like we need to create the vibe. We need to get ambiance lighting. Look at the difference of that. It's literally insane how much gunk dermaplaning gets off of you. Oh my gosh, my face literally feels like so smooth. So I'm all caught up on We Were Liars and The Summer I Turned Pretty. Well, I guess I should say I finished We Were Liars, because that show is so sad. I feel like I am traumatized by that ending. Okay, I'm back. Clean face. Let's put on these sheet masks, bring some more hydration back in my skin. I'm using the Doll 10 Doll Genius Firm and Brightening Under Eye Gels. I use these quite a lot. I love using these on a plane ride. I'm gonna use the Real Vitamin C Brighten and Glow face mask. I also love the Collagen Real face mask. Oh my gosh, and we're on. My next trip back to America is booked. It's only like a week trip. I'm so excited to go back and see my dogs and my family. My brother adopted a German Shepherd puppy. I really want to go and meet her, so I'm excited that I get to meet her soon, finally. She is so cute, and my mom has been sending me videos of her like every day. I really just want to go back and meet her. It feels weird to me that there's a dog in our house that I've never met. Like, what? Like, that is one of the weird things about like moving to another country, is like you're missing out on things that are happening at home. And I'm such a family girl, so that does feel weird to me. Like, that is something that was like I had to like almost get used to. It's like I'm not there when things happen. I'm getting a call. Hey babe.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, what's you up to?
Vlogging. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog. I'm about to hop on the bus.
Okay, perfect. I'll see you soon
Okay,
then.
bye vlog. Bye, miss.
Bye.
Love you, baby. Bye.
Love you. I also have some really exciting partnerships coming up that I'm really excited to show you guys the final results for. Whenever I can, I like to film the partnerships on the vlog because I think it's fun to bring you guys along. I mean, you guys are literally part of it and the reason why I'm able to get these partnerships. Of course, I want to bring you guys along. I'm really excited for when I can share some of these. I'm trying to think of what I want to make for dinner. I don't really feel like going to the store, so I'm gonna try to make something with what we have here. And I really want to use my Smeg Dutch oven pot. Ooh, I could do Dutch oven pasta. That would be actually really good because I could add bouillon to it since both of us have kind of been feeling not the best the last few days. I feel like that's also a good one. Warm, it's cozy. Okay, I finished with the face mask. I feel like my skin looks so, like, look at that glow. Looks so glowy. I am about to start making dinner. I wanted to have like a little Friday night wine while I'm cooking. So I'm going with it's a Dutch orange wine. One of my friends actually put me on this. And I don't normally like dry wines, but this one's good. I'm gonna make the meal in my Smeg Dutch oven. I'm actually really excited. So let's get to cooking. I'm also watching one of my favorite YouTubers while cooking just to have something to watch, and I'm watching Samantha Nicole. I love watching a vlog or a movie or listening to like a DJ set. It just sets the vibe. So I might switch over to a DJ set in a little bit. I just finished cooking dinner. It looks so good. I made like almost like a ramen bouillon with eggs, sesame seeds, and then Parmesan cheese on top. It looks so good. So I'm just waiting for Keynes to finish up what he's doing and then we're gonna eat. And after dinner, I'm gonna finish editing this vlog and get it up and then start a new one tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching this vlog and I will see you guys next week. Bye.